Pancakes are a classic breakfast favorite that combines simplicity and deliciousness in every bite. To make a perfect batch of pancakes, you need just a handful of basic ingredients, which you probably already have in your kitchen. The process begins by gathering all your ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs, milk, and melted butter. The balance between these ingredients is key to achieving fluffy golden pancakes. You can also customize your pancakes with a variety of optional additions such as vanilla extract for extra flavor, or mix-ins like chocolate chips, blueberries, or nuts for added texture and taste. Start by preparing your dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. The baking powder acts as a leavening agent, ensuring that your pancakes puff up beautifully as they cook. Whisking the dry ingredients not only combines them evenly, but also aerates the mixture, which contributes to the fluffiness of the final product. Once your dry ingredients are thoroughly mixed, you can move on to the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk them until they are light and frothy. Gradually add milk to the eggs, stirring constantly to create a smooth mixture. The milk provides the moisture needed to bring the batter together, while the eggs add structure and richness. At this stage, you can also stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract if you'd like a hint of sweetness and aroma in your pancakes. For a slightly tangy flavor, consider using buttermilk instead of regular milk. The acidity in buttermilk reacts with the baking powder to create an even fluffier texture. Once your wet ingredients are ready, it's time to combine them with the dry ingredients. Make a well in the center of the dry mixture and slowly pour in the wet mixture, stirring gently as you go. Be careful not to overmix the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferable, as overmixing can lead to tough, dense pancakes. Finally, fold in the melted butter, which adds richness and helps the pancakes achieve that golden brown crust when cooked. Preheat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease it with butter or a neutral oil. You'll know the pan is ready when a few drops of water sizzle and evaporate almost immediately upon contact. Using a ladle or measuring cup, pour the batter onto the hot pan, aiming for a round shape. The size of your pancakes is up to you, but keeping them small to medium ensures even cooking. Cook the pancakes until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges start to look set, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Carefully flip the pancakes with a spatula and cook the other side for another minute or 2 until both sides are golden brown. As you cook the pancakes, transfer them to a plate and cover them loosely with a clean kitchen towel to keep them warm. Alternatively, you can place them in a low-temperature oven until you're ready to serve. Pancakes are best enjoyed fresh, so try to serve them as soon as possible. Stack them high on a plate and top them with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a drizzle of maple syrup, a pat of butter, or a dusting of powdered sugar. For a more indulgent treat, consider adding whipped cream, fresh fruits like berries or banana slices, or even a dollop of Nutella. If you have leftovers, don't worry. Pancakes can be easily stored and reheated. Allow them to cool completely. Then place them in an airtight container or wrap them in plastic wrap. They can be stored in the refrigerator for a couple of days or in the freezer for longer storage. To reheat, simply pop them in the microwave for a few seconds or warm them up in a toaster oven for a slightly crispier texture. Making pancakes from scratch is a simple yet rewarding process that allows for endless creativity. Whether you prefer them plain or loaded with toppings, pancakes are a versatile dish that can be tailored to suit any taste. With just a little effort and a lot of love, you can create a stack of pancakes that will brighten up any morning and bring smiles to the breakfast table. Subscribe to my recipe channel for quick, delicious, and easy-to-make dishes. Don't forget to like, share, and comment to support us, and never miss out on tasty ideas.